Here's some pretty cool tech under $50 that you can buy to improve your very own setup. If you buy anything from Amazon, make sure to vet it before you get it. Vetted is a free browser extension that does extensive research for you, from reviews to prices, so you can avoid bad products and save time and money. But you can also read what the experts from Reddit and Wirecutter say about the product, as well as look up alternative options. The cool part is that it works right on Amazon, so you can always make the best decision without hours of research across endless tabs. But my favorite feature of Vetted is the price history chart. With this, I know the best times to buy, saving me money. Guys, don't make another mistake. Get Vetted for free using my link down below. It will save you time, it will save you money, it's super easy, and it will help support the channel. Kicking off the episode, we have the broke man's Nanoleaf lines. You get 9 smart light bars that you can control with your smartphone and voice assistant. Instead of paying $200 from Nanoleaf, you can get practically the same thing for less than $30. In the box, you get the lines and a control panel that lets you adjust the settings manually if you choose to. You also get 6 connectors, which are needed to sync each light bar together, and a power cable. Installation is very easy. You just slide in the light bar into any of the 6 slots in the connector and plug the power source into the control panel. You can create a bunch of really cool designs and control the lights straight from the app on your phone. I'm not gonna go through every single effect that you can select because that'll require a separate 30-minute video just by itself, but just know that there are a ton of really cool dynamic effects that you can choose from. You can also create your very own effect in the DIY section. You can select which colors to use, what effect you want to go with, and customize the direction, the speed, and the brightness all on the same page. The lights also react to sound. In the third tab, you can select from a few different presets that allow the lights to react to music, which is pretty cool. If you're not looking to sell one of your kidneys to add some Nanoleaf lines to your setup, then you should definitely pick up these for a fraction of the price. Next up, we have a very popular item that a lot of you guys have always mentioned in the comment section of my PC build videos. And this also happens to be my favorite item of today's video, the Fanttik E1 Max Precision Electric Screwdriver. I've recommended this last year on my Black Friday Tech Deals video, and since then, I've been using it to fix stuff around the house and build PCs. I actually have a custom one made with my TechSource logo, but I do have an extra one that I travel with because I love the compact design so much. The screwdriver pops out from the middle, which houses a total of 50 bits. On top of that, you get tweezers, a crowbar, and a built-in magnetic station that magnetizes and demagnetizes the tip of your screwdriver. Very useful when building PCs or dealing with very hard to reach places. The screwdriver also has a built-in flashlight and torque control near the bottom. You can set the torque by rotating the bottom part or lock it by keeping it in the middle. It's no wonder it got the IF Design Award of 2023. Now, normally this goes for $70, but if you guys use the code on the screen, you can knock the price down to $50 for a limited time. Now, if you need something with a little bit more torque, the L1 Pro is what you're looking for. It comes in a neat little carrying case with 12 different magnetic bits. You also get a Phillips head extension and a socket extension. The wireless screwdriver has a built-in flashlight with a 2000 mAh battery and provides more power, up to 6 different gear settings from 0.5 to 6 Newton meters. You can adjust the amount of torque by pressing the top button and change the direction by pressing the bottom button. What's cool is that the LCD display will show all the settings and the current battery life. This is such a cool little screwdriver for PC builds and doing work around the home or office, and it makes a great gift for your dad, assuming he ever comes back from getting milk. This is normally $60 on Amazon, but once again, if you guys use my code on the screen, you can get 50% off, dropping the price down all the way to 30 bucks. Okay, this next item isn't necessarily tech, but a pegboard is a really nice way to decorate your setup. A pegboard not only helps keep your desk space neat and tidy, but it's also a nice way to personalize it. This is called a Skadis, and it's from IKEA. It's a nice white pegboard measuring 30 by 22 inches, but they do offer different colors and sizes as well, all under the $50 price tag. Now, the cool thing about this pegboard specifically is that you have the option of clamping it to your desk or by mounting it to the wall. You can attach it to your desk using the included clamp, which can come very useful if you don't want to drill into your wall, but the pegboard does come with a bracket and some screws if you decide to attach it to the wall. The best part about pegboards in general is that the customization is unlimited. There are tons of little accessories that you can buy from IKEA to design your own custom pegboard. I picked up a few accessories of my own that I thought would be very useful in organizing my gear, and I just love how versatile these are. The hooks are great if you want to hang something on there, or if you combine two together, you can create a stand to display items. The Skadis containers are really nice if you want to store small items, perfect for keycaps and other small accessories, and the shelf is pretty self-explanatory. You can use it to store items for easy access. I mean, there are a ton of other really useful accessories that IKEA sells, like these glass jars with lids, which you can use practically anywhere in your house, but you guys get the idea. Here's another really cool hack that you can do with your pegboards if you want to make it stand out. This works with not only pegboards, but anything that is mounted against your wall with at least 1 inch of spacing. So I flipped my pegboard to the back and installed a 6.5 foot RGB strip around the edge, making sure I bend the corners carefully. After that, I plugged the strip into a portable charger to give it power, and then I attached the power strip onto the pegboard. Now this will only work with this specific Gobi strip because this is USB powered, and it's also RGB IC, meaning you can control each individual LED separately, allowing you to create some really cool effects. The power bank is required so that you don't have to plug the lights into the power outlet or your PC, and it's essentially a wireless setup. You can use any power bank that you want, but personally I like using the meaty one specifically because of the small size and the capacity, and you get 2 for $20. So these are one of the cheapest ones that you can buy. I like to attach mine to the pegboard using Velcro straps, so it's easy to detach when I need to recharge it once a month, but you guys can use any other method that you want. Another option you can do is tape the power bank directly to the pegboard using clear adhesive strips. This way it gets rid of the bulky Velcro, looks more slimmer, and you don't have to worry about it falling off. But the only downside is that you can't detach it from the board, so you'll have to use a long USB-C cable to charge it. However, the power bank is located on the edge of the board, making it very easy to access the ports. Last but not least, we have an LED digital clock that comes in a variety of different colors. I'm sure you guys have seen this a bunch of times on setup boards. You can either use the included stand and display it on your desk, or mount it against the wall using the adhesive strips. This is a pretty cool way to personalize your setup and give it a bit of functionality. That is all the cool tech I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, want to see more cool tech, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll drop a link to everything I talked about down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.